Hi everyone, Darko here for your daily PMA for Friday the 24th of July 2020. Uh, I had my worst week ever since May 2016 when I got my breakthrough. And I'm down currently somewhere between 2 to 2.5% of my account. Okay, and this is included with like the risk exposure. Sometimes I risk 0.25 because I'm taking two pairs with the same currency in it, or maybe even 0.16, or maybe even whatever that number might be. So this is a lot. So losing 2 to 2.5% in 1 week, and risking anything between 0.5 to 0.25 or 0.16. So that means this is a huge loss. And I don't have any historical perspective having losing weeks like this. So this is my first time. So what I will be doing when I'm finished this PMA is go through everything on my own and make sure that any mistakes not have been done. If that's the case, learn from it and start fresh next week. But like I said, I have tons of stuff to go through and watch the charts properly and make sure that just analyze why this happened. Unless a miracle happens today, this is like this trading day, Friday, then this will definitely be a losing week, and one of my biggest losing weeks since I started this on my own as a professional trader in May 2016. That was 4 years ago. So yes, so there's nothing to, there's no better way to say this. So it's better just be straightforward and honest, and let's move forward. Before I move forward, I need to know why this happened. So and then I will be moving forward next week. So yeah, let's start with today's PMA.